Hey guys, how's it going? This video is going to be covering how to fill up your power steering fluid after a repair. This is after doing the power steering return line fix, and we'll also show you how to flush it as well. It might be in this video, it might be another video. I'll let you know towards the end of this one. So I'm just going to start opening up the power steering fluid reservoir. Got pressed down power steering fluid. This is just stuff I grabbed from local AutoZone, but if you want to use something specific, you can look it up in your Haynes manual or just your owner's manual as well. So we're going to open this up. We're going to pour it in until about the full line. Okay. We're going to cap it up, and we're going to raise the vehicle, put it on jack stands, and then we're going to turn the wheels a couple times. Alright, so have the truck jacked up now. As you can see, fuel's already, or the power steering fluid is already going down into the system. Doesn't look like it's leaking anymore because it only dropped down to about low. And as you can see, no leakage, just residual from what was before. This is all from what was there before, so looks fine. This is good. That's from when we took it off. Yeah, everything's looking fine. Alright, so now what we're gonna do, open up the cap, and then air bubbles are going to come out of that, so we're just going to turn the wheels. Sorry about that, guys. So I ended up accidentally pressing the stop button while I was in here putting these to full lock. So what you want to do, you want to turn it on, just do not turn over the engine. Alright, just put it to the on position. Leave it on, put these over to full lock once or twice with the cap open. And then after you're done with that, you're going to notice some of the fuel is agitating into the system. Now what I did, I capped up the reservoir, came in here, turned the engine over, and now I'm letting the pump cycle through a little bit, taking some of the fluid. As you can see, it went down significantly. I'm just going to let that run for a little bit. I've already had it on for about 3 minutes before I realized the video was stopped. So we're going to turn it off now. Okay. Now we're going to open it up. Fill her up some more. About halfway, let's be safe. Yeah, screw it. We'll go a little bit more. Okay. Got the bottle again. And we're gonna put the wheel over to full lock a couple more times. With the cap open, mind you. Full lock again. You can already feel it starting to work its way in. Have to turn the pump on and everything as well. Alright, one more time left. One more time right. Okay, put it back to center. Should be it. Yep. Alright, we're gonna go over here, check it out again. Alright, see, it worked its way down to half. So, probably do it a few more times. Full lock left. Full lock right. Alright, now we're going to cap it back up. Turn on the engine once more. Alright, we're going to let that run for a minute or two. Turn it back off. Repeat the same process. But other than that, guys, that's how you flush your power steering fluid. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to like and subscribe and tell your friends about me. Alright, have a good one.